In this video, we will talk about how to treat toenail fungus very fast, how to get rid of toenail fungus quickly, how to prevent spreading fungal nail infections and what causes fungal nail infections. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. What is a fungal nail infection? A fungal nail infection, onychomycosis, occurs when a fungus infects a fingernail, toenail or the skin under the nail, called the nail bed. Fungi tend to attack nails that are already damaged through small cuts in the skin around your nail, or through the opening between your nail and nail bed. What are the symptoms of a fungal nail infection? Common symptoms of fungal nail infections include 1. Your nail getting thicker. 2. Your nail changing color, yellow, white, blue, purple or black. 3. The skin near your nail itching or cracking. 4. Your nail separating from the nail bed. 5. Pain around the nail area. What causes fungal nail infections? 1. Spread from a fungal skin infection. For example, athlete's foot tinea pedis can spread to the toenails if the skin infection is not treated early. 2. Fingernail infection may occur after a toenail infection has become established. The fungus may spread to a finger if you scratch your itchy toes and toenail. 3. Fingernail infections are also more likely to occur if you wash your hands frequently, as constant washing may damage the protective skin at the base of the nail. 4. A nail that has recently been damaged is also more likely to become infected. Those increase the risk of developing a fungal nail infection if you have other health problems. For example, 1. Diabetes. 2. Psoriasis. 3. Poor blood circulation. 4. A general poor state of health such as heavy alcohol consumption. 5. Nail infections are more common in people who live in hot or very cold climates. 6. Smoking also increases the risk of developing a nail infection. Who develops fungal nail infection? Between 3 and 8 out of 100 people will have a fungal nail infection, tinea unguium, at some stage of their lives. It also happens to young swimmers and athletes. How to prevent spreading fungal nail infections. 1. Don't share nail clippers or nail files. 2. Treat other fungal infections such as athlete's foot. 3. Keep your feet cool and dry by wearing breathable footwear and cotton socks. 4. Keep your toenails trimmed. 5. Avoid high heels and shoes with narrow, pointy toes that may injure your nails. 6. When using communal showers, wear protective footwear. 7. Using antifungal shoe spray. 8. Hot washing your socks. 9. Bleaching your shower floor and nail instruments. 10. Try to avoid injury to nails. 11. Avoid towel sharing. 12. Consider replacing old footwear. 13. Use tea tree oil in web spaces of fingers or toes, plus a few drops of olive oil. How to treat toenail fungus. The problem is treated by first eradicating the infected part of the nail. The doctor can either clip it off or dissipate it with a urea and bifonazole paste. In case of a slight infection, one can use a medicated nail varnish consisting of Locheryl containing amorolfine or Loprox containing cyclopirox that should be used twice weekly. For a more intense contamination, the doctor advises an oral antifungal medicine like Sporanox containing itraconazole, which can be taken every day for about 3 months. The caveat here is that itraconazole might lead to certain side effects. In the most hopeless of cases, it might become necessary to surgically remove the nail. So, once the treatment has been availed of and even if the fungus has been eradicated, do not expect the nail to recuperate entirely in terms of the aesthetic sense. Also, there are chances of a relapse in about 10% to 20% cases. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.